The Authority Effect, a book by Arrow Marketing Lab, free on Kindle Unlimited, or all of our books are under a fiver, or you may get this on a day where we're promoting this for free. So what's the Authority Effect all about? So this is about, you've published a book, now what happens? And most people sit there and they feel a little deflated after they've published a book because they don't really know what else to do. They think the goal is to publish the book and then all of this magical stuff will happen. Well, publishing a book is a massive achievement. Really, really well done if that's you and you've got to that stage. But what do you really do after you've published your book? And that's what this is all about. So this isn't about trying to get in the bestsellers list or get 6 figures from being an author brand overnight or anything like that. It's making your book work for your business. So it brings in the right clients, builds your visibility, which is really important, and opens doors for you. And it keeps that buzz going long after the launch day has passed. So we're going to show you how to talk about your book in fresh, natural ways. We're going to turn your content into a magnet for the right people and use your book to fuel email growth, podcast invites, partnerships, offers, and a whole heap more. It's also going to build a repeatable marketing rhythm that doesn't eat into your life. So if you've launched a book and you're struggling to know what to do next, where do you head next with this book because nothing's happened, then this is the right one for you. Go and download it now.